Hi guys, welcome back to the build of the Freedom Bus. Today we are doing the installation. We're just cutting it out at the moment, then we're going to go take you guys inside and show you how we put it in. This installation is actually foam. We got this one from Bunnings. Hang on. This board here, this foam here, will actually get two pieces out of. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, just cutting another piece out of this one. I'll just turn it around the other way because I don't have very well palms. Then we'll start from this side and then we'll get two pieces. There we go, now we put that there and now we have two pieces. Okay, now we're going to take you inside and we're going to put these in. So we're going to these parts here and we're going to put them in here. So we're going to put one in here. Oh. There we go. I need to get something to actually poke it in there with. And here we go, we're getting it now. Oh. There seems to be okay, anyway, we'll put the next one in. I'm not an expert at doing this, so please forgive me when you watch this video. There we go, there's the second one in. Now I just got to even this up. Does that look right to you? Okay. Something is not right here. So I'm just going to get it out. that one again.
Uh-uh.
Go that way.
Just pull it down where it's not. No.
Oh yeah, I see the problem.
Yeah, there you were.
Yeah, okay. You can talk in the video, you know, like. Okay. I suck at this so badly. Okay, I can't get this out, but I'm gonna just keep on trying. Because I'll get it eventually. Does that look even to you? Yep, okay. So we're gonna actually keep doing the installation, but this is my first time doing this, so please don't judge. Does it look about right to you, but? And then bring this one back down a bit, or do you want it in the gap? Bring it down? Good, okay. It's a bit bent though. So the installation is a bit bent. But that's okay, we'll get there guys, we'll get there. So now we have to go back outside and we have to measure some more. So now we're gonna go back outside and measure some more. First we're gonna take measurements on the inside and then we can go outside and measure some more. So which one with this, we're gonna measure these two now. And once we get the measurements, we'll go back outside, measure the installation, and we'll install it. So let's take some measurements, hey? So these are the two we're gonna do next. So we're gonna take some measurements right now and we'll, oh guys, these are the floorboards that we're actually using for our bus, and we're going to get into the installation first, and then we're going to go do maybe the floors and stuff like that, the walls and that as well. But this is what our floor is going to look like. And I think that's our walls and floors. And that's for the roof as well. So we've been lacquering as well. We haven't made a video on that one yet, but I'm sure we will very shortly.